Hi guys, today we're gonna slow rock our day. Wind of Change by Scorpions. Okay, we have 6 parts: the intro, the verses, the choruses, then bridge, the ad-lib, and then finally the last chorus, which is our last, and then the outro. Okay, so I'll play first the intro. I followed Thomas back down to Gorky Park, listening to the wind of change. Okay, that's our intro and second 2 lines of our verse 1. Intro chords are F, 1 measure, D, 1 measure, F, 1 measure, D again, 1 measure, and then A minor, 1 measure, D, half a measure, A minor, half a measure, and then finally G, half a measure. Okay, so the strumming pattern for 1 measure is down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, up, up. Okay? So, okay, D minor is strum down, and then first, second, and third string. And then A minor, same, strum down, 1, 2, first, second, third string, and then G. And then C. Okay? C. I follow Thomas back down to Gorky Park, listening to the wind of change. The August summer night, all the passing by, listening to the wind of change. Okay, that's our first verse. So, C, 1 measure, D minor, 1 measure, back to C, 1 measure, and then D minor, same as the intro, strum down, and then A minor, and then G. Okay, and then you repeat that. The August, and then after G, and then 1 beat, and then the August so 1 beat first, and then the August, because there's a pause. The August summer night, okay? The August summer night. Got it? The August summer night. Soldiers passing by, listening to the wind of change. And then go back to the intro. And then verse 2. Verse 2 is exactly the same as verse 1 except for the last G, which is before it was half a measure, now it's gonna be a one measure. So I'll play the last. You're still in the G. I'm blowing with a wind of change. Take me to the magic of the moment on the glory night, where the children of tomorrow driven away in the wind of change. Walking down the way. Chorus 1, the chorus are C, one measure, G, one measure, C, half a measure, G, half a measure, and then B, D minor, one measure, G, again, C, again, half a measure, G, half a measure, D minor this time, half a measure, followed by a G, half a measure also, and then A minor, I think 3/4, 3/4 measure, and then F, 1/4 measure, and then G, 1 measure, and then C, 2 measures. Okay, so for chorus, the picking is for half a measure, C and G, both are half measure. Is for C is down, down, up, down. That's for C, and then for G is up, 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 down, up, up. So for C, 4 beats, and then for G, down, up, up. So take me to the magic of the moment on the glory night, where the children of tomorrow. Now for children of tomorrow, D minor, down, down, up, down, and 4 beats, and then for G, 6 beats, just like C and G. Now D minor and G. Well, the children of tomorrow. Okay, so 4 beats for D minor, and then G6. For the children of tomorrow, dream away. Now for A minor is down, down, up, down, and then up, up, up. That's 7 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So for A minor, down, down, up, and then for F, which is 1/4 measure, down, 2 downs. Okay, where the children of tomorrow dream away in the wind of change, where the children of tomorrow dream away in the wind of change. So the strumming is very tricky. So just remember that for C, 4 beats, down, down, up. G is up, 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 down, up, up. And then for D minor, for the children, D minor is down, down, up, down, and then G, up, up, down, up, up. And then for A minor is down, down, up, down, and then 3 ups. Up, up, up. And then for F, down, and then transfer it to G. In the wind of change. Okay. Now for verse 3 is the same as verse 2. Okay. So the last G is 1 measure. Okay. The verse and verse 3, the last G is 1 measure. Okay. Walking down the street, distant memory, buried in the past forever. Follow the verse song down, and then down, 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 down. Okay. After verse 3 is chorus 2, and then chorus 2 is the same as chorus 1, except without the 2 C's at the end. Okay? Take me to the magic of the moment on the glory night, where the children of tomorrow share the dream with you and me. And then repeat chorus 1. After chorus 2, chorus 1, and then after chorus 1, the bridge. So now we play the last line of chorus 1, and the wind of, and the wind of change. Now the bridge. Our bridge is A minor, 1 measure, G, 1 measure, A minor, back to A minor, 1 measure, G, 1 measure, C, 1 measure, D minor, 1 measure, and then finally E, 2 measures. Okay, I play. We're in the chorus 1, in the wind of change. A minor, wind of change, blow straight G to the face of time. A minor, song when that will ring, the freedom bell of mine. Let your balalaika sing while my guitar wants to sing. Okay, after the bridge is the ad-lib. Ad-lib chords are F half measure, G half measure, A minor half measure, A minor half measure, back to F half measure, G half measure, A minor, this time 1 measure, and then back to F half measure, G half measure, E minor half measure, A minor half measure, D minor 1 measure, and then finally E 1 measure. Okay, after I play the last line of bridge. While my guitar, the freedom of my, let your balalaika sing, sing, while my guitar wants to sing. Chorus 2, after ad-lib, repeat chorus 2, and then chorus 1, okay, and then I play the last chorus 1 because there are some changes at the end, okay. So after bridge, ad-lib, repeat chorus 1, and then repeat chorus 2, and then chorus 1, and then the outro. Okay, so I'll play the chorus 1. Say me to the magic of the moment on the glory night, where the children of tomorrow dim away in the wind of change. So, okay, you see the difference? And the wind of change, in the wind of change. This is G7 sustained, 1 measure, and then G, 1 beats only, okay? In the wind of change. The outro is almost the same as intro, except it's a little bit shorter. Okay, so in the wind of change, okay, that's our outro, which is F, D minor, and then F again, D minor, and then one measure, A minor, and then D, one beat. Well, okay, that's it. Now we go to our next lesson. Here is your, anyway, just click the, what you call this, the link in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell. Okay? Our next, also scorpions, when the smoke is going down. The intro is D, C, D, C. Okay, and play. Just when you think you're way back home, I find some time to be alone. I gotta see the place once more. Okay, that's it. Oh, don't forget to click the notification bell. Okay, that's it, guys. See you next time.